in service defect detection with ultrasonics. As usual, this quick explanation of what we're seeing here in UTman 600. This is the plan view looking down upon a pipe, and here is a cross section through the weld. And this is a UT set Olympus Epoch 600. Now, so back to our UT set. So the first thing to do is test the parent material. I'll put a 0 degree probe on here. I'll just here, okay, we've got a 0 probe on. So the first thing to do is check the calibration. 0 degree, let's just quickly check. General setup, right, angle is 0, thickness is 6, that is correct. Velocity 5,800 meters per second, that is correct. Double check the range. This is 12.5 thick. Yep. Let's check it on the V2. V1, if we're in range, 25,400. Just check the delay. Now, that range is far too much. It's only 6 millimeters wall thickness. So range, click on range here. I'll go for 20 millimeters range, because then we'll get 2 back wall echoes. Second back wall echo will be set to full screen height. For the scanning. Now I'm just going to check the gate position. Gate 1, start, that's okay. Now within UTman we can press the home key to take us back to 0 position. So now we're back at 0. And we can in fact scan it manually using the mouse backwards and forwards, but we could actually press page down and it'll do the scanning for us automatically. I've taken my hands off the computer now. I'm looking at the A scan, I'm getting a constant reading of 6 millimeters. So all is good so far. You can see on the clock position, we're coming up to the quarter position around. Right, we're coming up to the 6 o'clock position. So far the A scan has shown no problems at all. It's still reading 6 millimeters. So far, oh, there we go. Okay, we've got something there. That's by just touching the probe, it'll go off the automatic scanning. So there, we've got a depth now of 3.56. So there's been a significant wall loss. I've already made a spreadsheet for recording these indications: name, date, diameter, wall thickness. Now, defect number 1, type. Well, it's wall thickness. It's wall thickness thinning. The circumferential position, we haven't measured it yet. The depth is 3.56. 3.56. So the actual corrosion internally on the OD measurement is 2.44 millimeters. From the outside surface, the OD, it's 3.56 deep. Right, circumferential position. Right, it comes in there, and that is 1,3. I'm looking here on the side, 136. This gives you a circumferential measurement. 136. 136 to so this is from the probe center position. That's given a reading of 151. So that is 15 millimeters long. This was found with the zero probe. Right, and then its position. Its position laterally. I'll drop the echo a bit. I'll auto 80, so there's dropped to 80%. I'll move it sideways with the cursor. It's very near the weld. So it's from 10 millimeters. This is the lateral position, 10 millimeters here to so from 10 to 30 millimeters in this direction here. So 10 to 30 millimeters near weld, therefore width is 15 millimeters, which happens to be the same as the length. And that is the right hand side. Right hand side of weld. Right then, there's our first one, wall thinning there. So let's carry on. Let's save that. Right then, so let's carry on. We'll put it on the auto scan again, page down. Okay, so it's scanning from here to here. If we were going to do it manually, we'd actually scan everything. We're not sure where the corrosion may appear. For the demonstration here, I'm letting it on auto scan just up to 65 millimeters. So there we are. We've completed the circumference. You can see here on the right hand side. We'll put it on the left hand side. I'm going to press home key, take it to 0, and press the down, page down key, and again it's going to go around the pipe automatically, scanning around for the parent plate. that's going around the pipe now. We can actually look a bit better here. We can see the dial. So we're a quarter past now. So far, this side of the pipe, the left side, is showing no corrosion. It's a good 6mm reading all the way so far. That's as at 6 o'clock. We're at the bottom of the pipe. Right, we're almost at the 0 position. So far we've had no change in the A scan. It's getting a consistent 6mm wall thickness reading, so no loss of wall thickness noted this side. So that's it, and we've been all the way around the pipe on both sides now. This right hand side we found a corroded area internally, which was wall thinning. The other side of the pipe, the left side over here, we found the pipe wall to be still 6mm and showing no sign of corrosion. Right now we'll change to the angle probes. We'll put on a 70 for this wall thickness.